Good day, this is Miss Kruger. I'm going to do an English language lesson with you this morning. So my lesson is on the difference between a regular and irregular verb. The first thing we need to ask ourselves is, do we know what a verb is? A verb is the doing word in the sentence, a doing or being word in that case. For example, I run around the garden. Which word in that sentence can you do? Run. I skip along the pavement. Which word in that sentence can you do? Skip. Good. And when we say it's also a state of being, it's just living. If I say I am, the sentence am and is also a verb, but we're not going to discuss those words this morning. So let's continue. What is a regular verb? A regular verb is a verb that has changed in the past tense and it gets an ed at the end. Another word for end in English is a suffix. So these are some examples. I walk around the garden. I walked around the garden. So the only word that changes in a sentence that makes it past tense is the verb. The rest of the sentence stays the same. I accept the present. I accepted the present. I stroke my dog. I stroked my dog. So this sentence, I admire celebrities that add hope in people's lives, can also change to I admired celebrities that added hope in people's lives. As you can see, all of these words get ed added to the end. These are regular. It is regular to just add an ed to the verb when it is changed to the past tense. Some more examples. We have the present, the simple past. Now, the simple past means there is no ing to the word. I achieve, not I was achieving or I was allowing. That would not be simple. Simple is changing it into one word to make it past tense. But if we look at the past participle, that means the word been or have is included. So I achieve, yesterday I achieved, or it could have been achieved. I allow, I allowed, it should have been allowed. I wished, could have wished. The difference is these words in the past, in the simple past and the past participle are the same. Hugged, wished, allowed, achieved. And the difference over here is that it is just adding of an ed. These are regular verbs. Moving on to irregular verbs. These words change form when we change them to the past tense. They do not get an ed. For example, sing, sang, and sung. Sentence, the lady leaves the house. Yesterday the lady left the house. It is not leaved. Some other examples. In the present, sings, sang, and sung. Now often these can be the same or it can be difficult. Today I run, yesterday I ran, I could have run. Today I tell a joke, yesterday I told a joke, I could have told a joke. Yesterday I shake right now I shake my pillow. Yesterday I shook my pillow. It could have been shaken better. I drink my Nesquik. Yesterday I drank my Nesquik. I should not have drunk my Nesquik. So if you add these words to it, you don't use these words all the time here. The difference between a regular is that these words will be here. It won't change. Here, the difference is there is no ed added, but it is now past tense. It can be the same in the past participle, but it can also be different. And that is the difference between a regular and an irregular verb. Thank you for listening.